Your health should never be a gamble based on a flashy social media ad. We have all seen those sleek gadgets that promise to monitor your vitals with medical-grade precision. But when it comes to the NovaMedic Pro blood pressure monitor, the reality behind the marketing is looking pretty shaky. It is not that the idea of a home monitor is bad. In fact, home monitoring is a vital tool for millions of people around the world. The problem starts when the brand behind the device feels more like a ghost than a legitimate medical company. People are reporting some seriously frustrating experiences lately. We are talking about accidental double orders that charge your card twice without warning. We are talking about shipping delays that stretch into weeks while customer support remains completely silent. If you cannot trust a company to handle a simple transaction, how are you supposed to trust them with your cardiovascular data? Accuracy is not just a catchy buzzword here. It is the entire point of the product. This specific device is a wrist monitor. Those are notoriously picky about how you use them. If your arm is not positioned exactly at heart level, your numbers will be all over the place. You could be looking at a reading that says you are fine when you are actually in a danger zone. Or you might see a spike that is not even there and panic for no reason. The marketing for this device relies heavily on high-pressure sales tactics. They use countdown timers and massive limited-time discounts to make you click buy before you can think it through. Genuine medical devices usually lead with their clinical certifications. They show you the validation studies. They show you the actual data that proves the device works. This brand seems to hide behind vague promises of hospital-grade quality without showing any receipts. If you already have one of these sitting on your nightstand, you need to be extremely careful with how you use it. You must sit perfectly still for at least 5 minutes before you even hit the start button. No talking aloud. No scrolling on your phone either. Just quiet. Focus. You should take 3 separate readings and average them out to get anything close to a real number. But even then, why take the risk? You can find well-established brands that have been vetted by doctors for almost the exact same price. When you choose a brand with no track record, you are essentially paying to be a test subject for a company that might not even exist in 6 months. The complaints about refund issues are particularly concerning to me. Trying to get your money back from a company that does not have a clear physical address is an absolute nightmare. Your heart health is too important to leave to a viral marketing campaign. Stick to the names that your doctor actually recognizes. Do not let a sleek design or a clever ad distract you from the fact that this is a medical tool first and a gadget second. Trusting an unverified device for something as critical as blood pressure is like trying to navigate a ship with a broken compass. You might feel like you are moving in the right direction, but you have no real way of knowing where you are actually headed. It is better to invest in peace of mind by choosing a device that has been rigorously tested by actual scientists. Your future self will thank you for being a bit more skeptical today. Reliability should always come before a bargain price when your life is on the line. Take the time to research properly and choose a device that offers transparency instead of just a pretty screen and a discount code.